Freunde, wie geht's? I hope you all are staying safe. Today we are going to do German articles and nouns. So articles is a very important topic, I'd say, and it is being used with every noun. So what is a noun? So a noun can be a place, a person, or a thing. In German, there are 3 articles. Usually we have 2 articles in almost every language, but in German we have 3. And all the nouns start with capital letter. Like, this is a very important note that all the nouns in German starts with a capital letter. So there are 3 articles: masculine, feminine, and neutral. So the first is there. There. It's being used for masculine. There. Die. Die. Die means, die is used for feminine. Das. Das. It's used for neutral. So it's der, die, das. For example, for der Mann. Der Mann. The man. Der Mann. Since man is, masculine, so it's der Mann. Die Frau. Die Frau. The lady. Die Frau. Then das Kind. The child. Das Kind. Now the child can be both girl or a boy. So that's why it's das. It's neutral. Das Kind. So it looks easy, right? But the articles in German are not so easy. These one were a little logical, that if it's der Mann, then obviously it will be masculine, and if it's Frau, die Frau, obviously it will be feminine. But somehow this logic does not work everywhere. Zum Beispiel, for example, der Stuhl, the chair, der Stuhl, die Lampe, die Lampe, the lamp, die Lampe, das Bett, the bed, das Bett. Now all these things are non-living things. They don't have a gender, but still every one of them, each one of them has an article with it. And if you noticed, every noun starts with a capital letter. Zum Beispiel der Stuhl, S capital, das Bett, B capital, the Lampe, L capital. Also, there's a small little advice. Whenever you learn a new noun in German, always learn it with the article. Always learn it with the article. With that, you will not struggle with the articles. So that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon. Till then.